So hello students, we are going to start PSIR answer writing and mentorship program from 23rd of March. This program is targeting the civil services examination of 2026. The course will start from 23rd of March in this year and it will be going on till the mains of 2026. Now what we are going to do across this particular time is that there will be total of 25 tests. 17 sectional tests will happen before prelims. These will be the tests having 8 questions each, and 8 full length tests will happen after prelims. Okay, so total of 25 tests. These tests will be having the question paper which will be given to you, followed by model answers. Test discussions would be done and quality evaluation of your answers would happen. When you get the answer sheet, you can compare, you can read the feedback, compare it with the topper's copy to understand that what all are those areas wherein you need to improve. So the first pillar is there will be 25 tests. Second important pillar is the PSIR revision classes which we are going to do through PYQs. Now it is very important. Across the syllabus, we have somewhere around 40 topics. So we are going to choose important themes of each topic. For example, let us say we are picking up the Western political thought. So from the topic of Plato, what all important themes have been repeated, and those questions would be discussed in class and properly the model answers would be dictated. As a result, by the end of this course, you will have somewhere around 200 to 250 highly probable questions which are being repeated in the UPSC and which may be asked. So again, it is very important because not only it is helping you revise the entire syllabus, but it is also providing you a quality model answer which is ready to be used in the examination. So this is the second pillar. The third pillar of this particular program is PSIR Crash Course for mains, which is going to happen after the prelims of 2026. Now, even if you have recently completed the foundation course, but the syllabus of pol science is such, especially the IR part and some sections of IGP, that some new developments have happened. Now in the crash course, the new developments, especially in the international relation part, would be updated so that when you write answers, it is the most updated answers. So in crash course which happen after prelims, there will be typically 25 to 26 classes covering mostly the IR part or whatever dynamic has happened related to the PSIR syllabus. The fourth pillar is one-on-one mentoring session. So typically after every 15 days, you'll get a chance to book an appointment with the available teachers and mentors. You can sit with them and in that particular slot, you can discuss your strategy. If you have written answers, you can show it to them. The mentor will go through the answers, the test you have written before, and he will give his feedback on that answers. Now this will help you in reorienting your preparation in the right direction. So if you want to start your answer writing practice for the target year of 2026, then the starting date of this course is 23rd March. And if you have any query related to it, you can attend our workshop, which is on 3rd of March, and that will happen in our center. So come in the workshop, understand the pattern, understand the course, understand the need of the exam, and then take an informed decision. Thank you.